I'm going to show what this waterproof speaker looks like coming out of the box. This is very compact. It's also got a little wrist strap on it here, and then it comes with a Type-C charging cable. So I'm going to go ahead and connect this little wrist strap on here and show what that looks like. It's really easy to get that installed. And then you can hang it like that. If you are riding your bike, you can hang it from your bike or your scooter so that you can hold on to it very easy, or you can just walk around with it like that. So that is really cool. It has a suction cup here on the back, so you can actually put this in your shower and it will float in a pool as well. I'm going to go ahead and show how you hook this up to the Bluetooth on your phone. To hook your speaker up to your Bluetooth, you're going to turn it on right here, and then you're going to come down to your Bluetooth. It's going to be FO1 3D, and then you're going to just push pair, just like that. And then it is paired to your speaker. You can use it for taking phone calls, or you can use it for listening to music. So once you get it hooked up to your Bluetooth, you're ready to play your music. It also changes colors here. It has 7 different colors and 9 modes, which is super fun. So I'm gonna play something. Hey, how are you doing today?
Pretty good. How's it been for you?
It's really good. I'm just listening to you on my Bluetooth speaker here.
Oh my gosh, that is so awesome.
I know, love it.